Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I have something very big, so I didn't even fit on here, and I'm about to introduce you to it. So let's go. This is the EwinFlash XL, a heavy-duty gaming chair. The box was a bit damaged on the way to me, but everything was packaged well and protected, and it was okay. The chair came with a user manual and a big quick assembly poster, which made assembly a lot easier. It came with all the tools you need for assembly, and unboxing it was straightforward, and I laid all the parts out on the floor. It came with so many parts, I thought I would be working on it all night, but it was easier than I thought it would be to put together. Right now it looks like a bit of a mess with everything covered in protective plastics and cardboard, but the easiest way to assemble this chair is to lay everything out first and then unwrap it. As you can see, the stitching and look of the polyurethane leather has a look of quality, and once unwrapped, it doesn't look as overwhelming. Here's the big assembly poster, and it was easy to understand. Now for the assembly itself. Here is the reclining feature. And on the sides here, you can adjust the lumbar support back and forward and up and down. You can raise the chair up and also down. You can adjust the armrest to many different levels. And even more surprising, you can adjust the rest to pivot left and right. Pivot, pivot. Up and and down. The included headrest is magnetic, and it can be placed in a couple of different spots. This is a very comfortable and sturdy chair. I'd like to thank EwinRacing for sending this to me. It's a great addition to my office, and it will become my main chair for gaming and video editing. I'd also like to thank my subscribers and viewers, and if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe. And to be notified of my next video, please click the bell button. Also, become a member of the channel and see your name in the credits. I'm going to sit now and edit this, so see you in the next one. Thank you.